Here's some Restoration period trivia. Subscribe. Which monarch was restored to the English throne in 1660? Is it A. James I, B. Charles II, C. Edward VI, or D. Henry VII? The correct answer is B. Charles II. What was the name of the period following the English Civil War? Is it A. Industrial Era, B. Enlightenment, C. Reformation, or D. Restoration? The correct answer is D. Restoration. What replaced Puritanical rule during the Restoration? Is it A. Military dictatorship, B. Monarchical rule, C. Democratic republic, or D. Theocracy? The correct answer is B. Monarchical rule. What was the name of the first public theatre in England? Is it A. the Globe, B. the Theatre, C. the Old Vic, or D. the Wycombe? The correct answer is B. the Theatre. What was the dominant political faction during the Restoration? Is it A. Parliamentarians, B. Roundheads, C. Republicans, or D. Royalists? The correct answer is D. Royalists. Which act in 1665 mandated the licensing of publications? Is it A. Censorship Act, B. Public Records Act, C. Printing Regulation, or D. Licensing Act? The correct answer is D. Licensing Act. What was the primary artistic movement during this period? Is it A. Cubism, B. Baroque style, C. Impressionism, or D. Renaissance art? The correct answer is B. Baroque style. Which disease resurfaced in London during the Restoration? Is it A. the plague, B. tuberculosis, C. smallpox, or D. cholera? The correct answer is A. the plague. Who founded the Royal Society in 1660? Is it A. Isaac Newton, B. Charles Darwin, C. Galileo Galilei, or D. Robert Boyle? The correct answer is D. Robert Boyle. Which type of poetry was notably popularized during the Restoration? Is it A. heroic couplet, B. sonnet, C. haiku, or D. limerick? The correct answer is A. heroic couplet. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.